What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are back with another wig install, and today we are featuring Recool here. Today we're featuring their 14-inch 13x4 curly bob wig. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So we actually received a lot of goodies. We received a headband, a grab clip, some eyelashes, wig cap, tail comb, bonnet, and the edge brush. We received a lot of goodies. So this is our wig for today. It is a 14-inch 13x4 curly bob wig, and this unit came customized. It came pre-plucked with the strap on, ready to wear. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Recool here, their website is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. It is their 14-inch 13x4 curly bob wig, and this is it. It came pre-plucked with the strap on, ready to wear. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my lace, and then we install our wig. But this is what our lace is looking like without foundation. Just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my lace. So this is our lace with the foundation. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so I just put my wig on, and this is the vibes that it's giving off. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig, but the link for this wig is in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. Again, this wig is from Recool here, and this is their 14-inch 13x4 curly bob wig, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Okay guys, so today I'll be using my Bold Hold Lace Bond Glue along with my Got To Be Glue Freezing Spray to install my wig. The Bold Hold I'll be using to lay my wig, and the Got To Be Glue Freezing Spray will be melting my lace. This is what they look like if you don't know already. This is it. Just gonna go ahead and install my wig. The link for this wig is in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so I just finished gluing my wig and I did cut the excess lace off. This is what it's looking like. It is given natural, it is given laid, but I want it to look more natural and more laid. So what I'm about to do is to apply some Got2b Glue freezing spray around the hairline and then tie it down, let it dry. But this is what it's looking like after I glue my wig. I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish up our wig. But it's given natural and I love it. I don't know if I'm gonna make any baby hair. I don't need to make any baby hair. This is the vibe. It's given super natural, super laid, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It is super soft, super silky. This is it. It is not dry fully, and this is what it's looking like. I really do love how this came out. I didn't make any baby hair. It's all natural, super silky. Overall, I love the quality of this hair. Once again, today we're featuring Recool hair, and this is their 14-inch 13x4 curly bob, and this is how cute it came out, y'all. This is it. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link will be in my description, so go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is what our wig is looking like. It is the perfect wig for this heat. Like, this is it. This is the finished look. This is the end of today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, we'll see you guys in another video.